Dark Ghost glide through city lights so cold. Kawasaki Ninja 500, never getting old. Helmet on tight with that endless fire, racing through the night fueled by desire. Whip past shadows, they can't catch my pace. Street lights flicker, can't see my face. Engines roar louder than a stormy night. In the darkest hour, I am the light. Speeding down the highway, dancing with death, feeling every heartbeat, every burning breath. Dark Ghost Moto in a world on fire. Red light and life rising higher, higher. In the mirrors, glimpses of my past, fading memories that fading fast. Caught between the lines of black and gold, a rebel's tale waiting to be told. Wind cut sharper than a whisper's tune. City's heartbeat echoes like a rough-hewn boom. No brakes, no fear in this iron steed. Dark Ghost Moto, I am what you need. Speeding down the highway, dancing with death, feeling every heartbeat, every burning breath. Dark Ghost Moto in a world on fire. Red light and life rising higher, higher.